This is the ice bar at the Golden Nugget Casino in Lake Charles. So if you ever in Lake Charles and you stop by the casino, make sure you drop in here on the ice bar. And it's a nice bar. It's a little bit more expensive than all the other ones there in the casino, but it's worth it. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in on the bar. It's a small little bar right around the corner. It's inside the casino. But I'm gonna zoom here in on the menu and show you what they have on the menu as far as the drinks. But I had them to make me a special drink. It's a jalapeno margarita. They take some fresh jalapenos and some oranges and they mash them up in the cup. And as you can see, it looks pretty spicy. But let me tell you, it's the best margarita I've ever had. So if you there, just tell them you want the special jalapeno margarita.